So I am feeling the balloon Barbie vibes today, and I'm excited to share with you how to make this beautiful balloon dress. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi there, it's Sonia. Welcome to my video. I'm really excited today to share with you how to make this beautiful balloon Barbie dress. I actually just came up with this design today and it's based on one of my favorite dresses to wear to work. And I won't lie, I get called corporate Barbie when I wear this and I am here for it. I love that kind of energy. This big bow is what's inspired this dress. And I'm going to share with you how I made the design as we work through making this balloon doll here. Now, I don't have a tutorial for the hair, but I am listening and let me know if you'd love to see one. But yeah, let's get into how to make this beautiful balloon dress. So I'm going to inflate my balloon just over halfway. With just about 25 centimeters of uninflated tail. We're going to start off with a double pinch twist by doing two bubbles approximately 1 inch wide each. Making sure the knot is on the outside of the twist before pulling it through to help make it nice and secure. Then pulling these apart and twisting in opposite directions to create our pinch twist. Now I'm twisting off a small bubble, which is about a finger's width wide for me, and I'm going to do two petal twists. And they're about two and a half fingers wide. Next, to create a center of the bow, we're going to do another bubble about the same width as we did that first one. And we are going to pinch twist this one. And we're aiming to have a nice small center there. Now for this next bit, I'm going to ask you to split this pinch twist. Now you might find this slightly tricky at first, but basically twisting that in half just adjusting and fine-tuning around until one of those bubbles is in the front and one of those bubbles is in the back. It doesn't matter too much if they're not even, but we are hoping that those bubbles want to stay there. Next, I'm going to twist a small bubble, and it's about 1 inch wide, and I'm going to go into two more little bubbles. So about 3 the same. But we're going to pinch twist these two. Oh no, there's a hole. Let's do that again. Now, where were we? Oh, yes. We've got 3 bubbles about the same size, but we're going to pinch twist these two. And we're just creating a waist for our dress. Next, we're going to twist off 2 bubbles. And mine are about a hand's width wide. And just rolling the remainder balloon through and around. Now these waist bubbles are designed to help the dress to sit in place. But what we need to have left over is about this much a bodice balloon. So bending this balloon around, twisting it back into the waist, until we have something like this. Oh. And we're going to just twist this uninflated balloon back up into the neck. Adjust the skirt area until you think it looks just how you'd like it to. And in the end, you're going to have something that looks a bit like this. Now, you might find that your skirts or dresses come out in different sizes. This one here is a Vitalik dress, and this is a Qualitex 260. But if you've got a bit longer balloon before creating the skirt, you can make the length of the skirt to be a little bit longer. It's a sweet little dress. And then you could just go ahead to add in the arms and the head and anything else. So this sweetheart here was made with 160 arms, and we have a 6-inch quick link for the head, and there is two 260s to create this hairstyle. I think even with the smaller size, that might be really nice for a 260 balloon doll. Let's try and make her to have 260 as far as the arms and the hair. So I've got about a 4-finger bubble here I'm going to use for the head. And we just want that in the pinch twist at the top. We're just going to squish the 260 a bit until the arms are a bit more slender. And I'm going to make it just slightly smaller than the length of the torso and hopefully elongate it. So I think a big bow calls for big hair, so let's give it sky high. So this lovely shade is the Pastel Yellow by Vitalik. Well, how about that? I do think it looks quite sweet as well. So there we have two sweet little dolls with their beautiful bow dresses, and they look very much ready to go out and have a great time. If you need a tutorial for either one of these hairstyles, let me know, I'm listening, and I hope this is the first of a few different fun little balloon 260 dress designs that you can do and create for your balloon work. If you enjoyed this design, make sure to give a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, why not? Because I have lots of fun video ideas coming for you. Make sure you check out my playlist of beautiful balloon inspired hair. Drop your favorite Barbie inspired emoji if you've watched all the way to the end, so I know you've been here. So thank you for helping me to put a positive twist in your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.